Welcome to Jeffrey Epstein's world of interpretive human trafficking. Hinga mo ng ID, Bobo. Hello, my name is Gio Celis, and no, I don't consent. Yes, they've been doing it for 11 years without income tax, without permit to campaign on public roads, without consent, and they're all doing it with meth-enabled confidence. It's a con. Ano ba ang root word ng salitang con? It's confidence. You'll be able to see millennials, some Gen Z, mostly Gen Z, doing extortion. Ang susunod daw na henerasyon ng Pilipinas na magiging pag-asa ng bayan. Aha. Tatanungin, ano ba ang otoridad ninyo at ang tigas ng mukha nyo? Ang isasagot, meron daw siyang connect sa army o general. Katanungan, kailan nag-start ulit? Kung na-decommission man? At where did it start? Where and when? General. Keyword for navigation, people. Triage. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng triage? Iko-cross-examine, aalamin ang sanhi, titignan kung saan nagsimula at ang punot dulo. Jeffrey Epstein world of human trafficking. It's the same thing as ICE. It's the same thing as Hamas. Where did Hamas get the guns from? Where did ICE get their authority from? Where they get their tech? Mga ogag na namboboka from the air, umaamin na sanga sila ni Jeffrey Epstein right when Jeffrey Epstein still doing Epstein's world of human trafficking alongside Trump Industries. Now you have ICE. The 1% wants your Republic of the Philippines to be hosting Hamas in your own territory and right under your nose. Bakit ICE? Ano ba yung ICE? No due process, no consent. These people are a cult. They don't even know that they're in a cult. That's how you know you're in a cult. If you don't know you're in it. No licensings, no income tax, no ID. Hindi mo na kailangan maging miyembro ng sibilisasyon o sosyedad pagkabit ka ni General Hamas. Sinong general? Walang mag-ID. Sinong accountable for the public disturbance of the peace? Walang ibibigay sa'yo na ID. Bobo? Okay, so, dyan po ang resource publicly available. Paano mo ma-ID ang isang komunidad kung nagsashabu o hindi? Andyan ho ang public resource na sa Twitter at Toroborn. For all purpose and intent, it is a public resource to help navigate this scenario where people are bullshitting you right at your face. They want to take your money and then plan to kill you. You want to ask for ID? Hello? Global hotspot for online child prostitution. Yes, your Republic of the Philippines and its democracy is requiring active participation. Ano kanyan, gulay? Humingi ka ng refund. Humingi ka ng refund. Stupid. Ayaw magbigay ng ID, humingi ka ng refund. It's Hamas. It's ICE. It's the same place in origin. It has the same intent. It has the same template. Para sa Pilipinas, what would Hamas say? Kami ang tunay na taga-Israel. Anong sasabihin ng ICE? Kami ang tunay na Amerikano, therefore get the fuck out. Fake a refund?